Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to start off this set by cleaning up the cuticle area. I'm going to be using this bit. It just removes any dead skin that's around the cuticle area. After that, I'm just going to be taking off any lifted cuticle that's left. The point of taking off and cleaning up the cuticle area is to prevent lifting. I'm just going to be applying a little bit of glue onto the nail plate, and I'm going to be gluing on the nail tips. This glue that I'm using, I have it available on my online store. So to make the coffin shape, what I do is I just clip off the edges of the nail tips. Since the tips are square, just cut off the very corners of it. Don't overcut it because the coffin might come out too overly shaped. So just cut a little bit and then just perfect the shape with the nail file. And this nail file that I'm using is in 80/80 grit, and I have it available on my online store as well. After shaping the tips and before applying the acrylic, I use a fine sanding band to just blend in the tips. It just gives like a more natural look. And I'm using a nail cleanser to cleanse the nail before I apply the primer. And I'm going to be applying 2 coats of primer, and then I'm going to be applying a clear layer of clear acrylic, not too thick, just a thin layer. It just helps to prevent any lifting since I am going to be using colored acrylic on a couple of the nails. So I'm going to be leaving the ring finger and the middle finger clear because I'm going to do a black marble design on those fingers, so I don't need to do that nude, but the rest I will be doing them a nude powder. So here I'm just using a fine carbide bit, and this is just to remove any excess acrylic that might have been too close to the cuticle area. And the point of removing that is to prevent lifting. If you don't remove it, your nails are most likely going to lift. Before I buff the nails, I like to go in with a fine sanding band. It really just removes any harsh lines that the carbide bit might have left behind. And I'm using this nail cleanser. I also have it available on my online store. I like to use this. This is the nail cleanser that I've been using in the entire video for prepping before I apply my primer, before I apply gel polish. It's a really good nail cleanser. For the marble nails, I'm going to be using a black gel polish as a base, and I just have a little dish with acetone and a little brush just to clean around the cuticle area and any spots that I might have messed up, just to make the nail look more clean. And I'm going to be curing each layer of the gel polish for 60 seconds in the LED lamp. So for the marble, what I like to do is I use a regular white polish. This is the easiest way for me to do marble. There's different ways of doing it, but I use regular white polish. And I grab some acetone and this little brush, and I just start tapping at the polish, and it just starts like dissolving away into like a more smoky form, and which makes it look more like marble. And after I'm happy with the way that my marble looks, I'm going to be applying a gel top coat, and I'm going to also be curing that for 60 seconds. And when I finish every set, I always apply some cuticle oil. It just makes the nails look really nice and fresh. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.